Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So for this video, review ulit tayo para sa mga nagre-review for board exam ng Registered Electrical Engineers Licensure Examination. So meron tayo ditong sample problem, no? Kung di ka pa nakasubscribe, please hit the subscribe button and paki-like na rin po itong video na to. Okay? Basahin natin ang problem. A parallel RL circuit draws total current of 17 amperes and 1.8 kilowatts from a 120 volts supply. Find L or yung inductance. So, para mahanap natin yung inductance, kailangan natin ng capacitive reactance. Inductive reactance. At para naman makuha natin inductive reactance, kailangan din natin ng impedance. So, with the given, ang approach dito, find the impedance first. Okay? So, first, to find the impedance, siyempre hanapin muna natin yung apparent power. Okay? So, to find the apparent power, simple lang, no? At meron tayo S is equal to BI. No? Given na yan. 120 times 17. No? BI is voltage and I is current. Okay? So, 120 times 17. We have 2,040 volt ampere. Okay? So, to find the impedance, Z is equal to voltage divided by current. No? So, 120 over 17. So, meron tayong meron tayong 120 over 17, no? Fraction muna. Ohms. Para makuha natin ang angle ng impedance, so kunin natin si power factor. So, si power factor ay simply P over S. Okay, so meron tayong 1,800 watts divided by 20,040 VA. So, ano makuha natin dyan? Watts divided by 2040. 15 over 17. Okay, so yun ang power factor natin. Ngayon, power factor is just cosine theta. So, para makuha natin yung angle ng impedance is cosine negative 1 lang natin si power factor. Okay? So, theta is equal to 28.072. Okay? 28.072. So, ito na siya. So, impedance is equal to 120 over 17 angle 28.072. So, kailangan nating makuha ay total impedance in rectangular form, which is R plus JXL. Okay? So, para makuha yan, pasok nyo na sa calculator yan, 120 over 17 angle 28.072. So, pasok nyo lang yun sa calculator and then plus equals lang. 17 angle 28.072. So, meron tayong 6.22228 plus 3 plus J 3.32. Okay? So, Ohm's law tayo for parallel circuit. Ohm's law is total resistance is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2. Okay? So, sa total impedance naman, ganun din. Kaya lang, 1 over R plus 1 over J, no? XL. Okay? So, kunin muna natin si 1 over ZT. Ito si ZT natin. So, ito ZT natin. Total impedance. Okay? So, all we have to do is to divide it from 1. No? 1 over ZT is equal to 1 over 6.228 plus J 3.32 is equal to 0.125 minus J 0.0666. Okay? So, is equal to 1 over R plus 1 over J XL. So, anong hinahanap lagi natin para makuha yung L? So, papakuha natin L, ito lang hinahanap natin si inductive reactance. So, meron tayo dito. Okay? So, pwede natin hiwalay ito. Itong 1 over JXL at ito. Kasi yun naman yung format niya. So, meaning, 1 over JXL is equal to negative 0.0666. Negative J 0.666. Okay? So, therefore, XL is equal to 1 over negative J 0.0666, which is 15. No? Rounded off. J15, which is J15, or is equal to 15 ohms. Alright? So, anong formula natin sa inductive reactance? So, meron tayong 2 pi frequency times inductor. So, pwede natin makuha si inductor, no? So, inductor is just equal to inductive reactance divided by 2 pi and then frequency. So, ano nawawala? Wala tayong frequency na binanggit sa problem. So, pag ganito guys, i-assume nyo na yung standard frequency, no? Yung common, which is, anong common frequency ay 60 Hz. Yan. Lagi nyo gagamitin yan. Yan ang common frequency, lalo sa atin sa Pinas. Okay, so let's assume na 60. Okay, so substitute natin 15, no, which is yung inductive reactance divided by 2 pi times 60. Oh? So, lalabas dyan. Zero point 0.0397 Henry. So, since etong angle, rounded off natin, etong impedance ay rounded off to ha. So, hindi yan yung eksaktong nakuha sa calculator. Etong 15, rounded off din to. So, kung marirecall nyo, sinabi ko kanina. So, most likely, hindi exactly nakuha natin sagot. So, we will choose option A. So, siya yung pinakamalapit, no? So, this is almost equal to 0.0389 Henry. Okay? So, ang difference niya ay 38.9 millihenry saka 39.7, no? 0.08 millihenry kung natin. So 0.8 millihenry. Yun lang ang difference sila. So we will choose letter A. Okay, dahil rounded up ang mga values natin. So ito na yun. Yun lang ang approach niya. Okay. So I hope na may natutunan kayo for this video. So kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please hit the subscribe button. And good luck sa mga magte-take ng board exam dyan. So God bless and goodbye.